Hi guys, it's the 5 Points Guy. Today we are going to look at 5 shocking habits of successful people. Welcome again to the 5 Points Guy, where we regularly explain topics in 5 simple points. Please make sure you smash the subscribe button for more videos. Let's go. Point number 1. Treat failure as gold. Any successful person knows that failure is inevitable. But learning from failure is a golden bit that successful people do so well. Unsuccessful people don't learn and make the same mistakes again and again. Successful people are not scared of failures because they know it is a learning curve to take on to their next venture. You can learn a lot from reviewing your failures. Success depends on your ability to learn why and how you failed. So embrace your failures and evolve into a better person. Point number 2. They get out of bed early. Start your morning at 5 to 6 a.m. Studies have shown productivity is at its greatest first thing in the morning, when our bodies and minds are fresh and full of energy. People try to work on their goals after work, and they end up tired or distracted and nothing gets done. If you want to be a successful person, stop watching Netflix late at night or browsing on your social media. Get out of bed early in the morning. Get a head start while your competition is sleeping like a baby. Point number 3. Network like mad. Successful people know it's all about who you know. Your network is your net worth. Successful people are good at what they do and are even better at networking than the average person. So what is networking? Networking is more than just talking to people and making friends. It's about always on the lookout for useful contacts, future partners, etc. No one is born great at networking. It takes years of practice and experience. Point number 4. Read every day. Successful people in the world, like Elon Musk, read a lot. Reading and success go hand in hand. Studies have shown advantage of reading regularly. Reading makes your brain grow and fights diseases like dementia. Reading can also help you sleep better by relaxing your mind and body. Reading improves memory, improves knowledge, and upgrades vocabulary. Therefore, reading can make you a successful person. Point number 5. Exercise consistently. Successful people know that a consistent exercise routine gives you the physical energy you need to achieve your goals. When you work out, your body operates at 100%. So when you chase your goal, you feel sharp, positive, and energetic. We all know when it comes to self-esteem how confident you are in your body matters. Exercising consistently forces you to follow a plan to achieve weekly and monthly goals. This can be transferred to your work and business life, so you set achievable goals. Thanks again for watching the 5 Points Guy. Hope you found value and I hope you become a successful person. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos.